Got this here shed for free. Needs a lot of work. It's just painted OSB on the back. Some of it's not even painted. I think it needs a new roof. And the door is just a generic wood. It's one of those husks. I'm going to turn this shed into a place to put my hardstones and stuff and get them off the front porch. Look, there's no wall. I got a frame in the wall, really? Stuff just... The only thing that's solid is the floors, and they're all 2x4s. It's pretty cool. Gonna get rid of that workbench or whatever they call it, I guess. And I'm going to a place to keep my rocks, hard stones, and stuff. To be continued. Okay, it's a different day. I got a door there. Lost a tree limb in the storm. We had a pretty good storm here the other day. Usually when I open this, there's a bunch of spiders, but I cleaned it out some. I don't see a whole lot of spiders. Got a wheelbarrow full of hard stone stuff. Whole bunch of stuff. Whoa, look at that big guy. All the way down to just all the hard stone stuff I picked up. And some weird, well, there's some worked pieces in here. But as you can see, there's like no real framing going on in here. But they try to build like a bench of some sort. I think I'm going to tear that apart and work on some framing. Might frame up a window on that side. I'm going to frame this up for the door. I don't know if I'm going to do that today, but I'm going to try to get a window framed in here. And we'll see what that does for the place. After I put this over in that burn pile. The old shelving unit's gone. Look at this dude over here. Where'd he go? Look at that. You might know that I'm skosh. I'm afraid of spiders. I don't know what kind that is. I gotta pull these big old honking nails out of them. I didn't even know there was a loft up here. A loft. Yeah. It's an old beat up used window, but that's what we're going with. Here's the wind. And all the junk inside the window. Not too bad. Alright. Here's the window. This is on the video, it's not taking very long. In reality, it's been a few days since I've even been out here working and kids and all this other stuff. It's hard to get out of here to do anything. But today, let's see, there's nothing going on in any of the sides. It's still plain old. I'm not sure what I want to do here, but I think I'm going to take this stuff here and go all the way to the sides and make kind of a barrier. And I'm going to chop these. Ow, what the sawzall just stepped on. And cut them different lengths and like stagger them on the top here, I think. And here on the bottom, I might do cultured stone. Just from here down, I think that'll hold it. Put some lath on there and mortar it up. And go from there. And yeah, just to see what it looks like. I want to do the small side, and if it looks terrible, I could just tear it down instead of doing, you know, there's no windows or anything on the other sides. I still would like to frame that side in. There's no framing in the back. We got this pretty good, I think. I need to caulk, maybe spray foam some stuff. I still got to do something about the opening up there. I think I want to do it from the inside. Maybe put some board insulation, put a board here, just to keep the birds out, bugs, bees, boogeyman. Yeah, so I want to start doing that and we'll see what happens. Whew, it's warm out here. Alright, I got one side done with the pallets. I about used the whole front side of a pallet on that one wall. But what do you think? Is it going to work? I don't want it to be perfect. There's gaps. I want it to look like an old cabin or something. It's not 100% straight. I think it's going to look pretty cool, but I don't know. Just imagine that all the way around and cultured stone on the bottom. I don't have the materials for the rest of the stuff right now. I was just kind of messing around today, but yep, you can see what it's kind of going to look like. I think it's going to be okay. See you next time.